Today we have the principal of Chameli Devi Institute of Professional Studies, Indore. We are so happy to have Dr. Suhas sir with us today. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your precious time. Sir, you have held in key position at Education Institute for almost 28 years. So, sir, what are the key factors that you love the most about this education sector?
Particularly in education sector, I always I'm always trying to live with the young blood. This is the most important factor, because till the last date of your retirement, you are always living with the young blood, and definitely the upcoming generation is very much energetic and knowledgeable also. So you are also learning from those. This is the most important factor in education field.
Sir, how does the curriculum of CDIPS Institute ensure the best practices of the industry?
Particularly in Chameli Devi Institute of Professional Studies, even we are associated with, we are working under the aegis of Chameli Devi Group of Institutions. And the most important thing is that along with our regular curriculum, we are giving vocational courses to our students, in which they are getting different certifications, almost one certificate in every semester, along with their regular studies. So this is the most important factor, which helps student to get their job, or in fact whatever they are expecting from the college education, we are trying to give them in our best.
Okay. Sir, what do you think the institute, I may correct myself, what do you think your institute should be, what are the top priorities for your institute for next 10 years?
Definitely. As far as this particular institute, Chameli Devi Institute of Professional Studies is concerned, it was established in the year 2014. So we can say that still a very short period of short time of span we have spent it right now. In future, we are expecting our permanent affiliation from Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, and definitely in coming years we will be going for accreditation with NAAC also. Apart from these two things, we are expecting some diversification in the field of education. Like we are planning for starting some B.Ed education courses, that means B.Ed or M.Ed like that. Even in law field, we are going to start some courses like BA LLB or BCom LLB like this.
Okay. Sir, what are your roles in the development of this institute?
As far as the role of principal in the development of institute is concerned, definitely holding the key position as principal in this institute, I am trying to give the overall development to the students for their overall development. That means trying to making them employable. We are not ensuring, we are not giving any kind of guarantee to any student for their employment, but we are trying to make them employable. That means we are providing them aptitude classes, we are providing them soft skills classes, through which they can be more employable. And definitely this is our strength.
Sir, how are the placement scenario of your institute during 2019 and 20?
Yes, I'm feeling very proud saying this particular sentence, that in UG courses also, during 2019-20, 17 students of our institute are placed in different companies. Particularly, I'm going to mention of our two students, Yash Dubey and Shubham Raghuvanshi, who are placed in Byju's at a package of 7+3. That means at a package of 10 lakhs during last year.
Okay. Sir, anything would you like to know about our audience? Anything would you like to know about our audience about your institute that they may not know?
Yes, definitely. In general, we can see that in every traditional college, they are providing studies for their curriculum only. But in Chameli Devi Institute of Professional Studies, we are regularly, as I have already mentioned, that we are regularly conducting vocational programs. That means add-on courses we are conducting also. Like for BBA students, we are conducting MS Office classes or Tally accounting or advanced Excel, digital marketing, even for computer students, Internet of Things, IoT, which we can call them, or ethical hacking. Like these are the courses and these are the certifications that we are providing. Apart from these vocational classes, we are providing French language classes also, short-term courses on French language, also basics of French language, because in today's era, it has become very much mandatory for each and every student to learn some foreign language also. That's why we are trying to provide them some value addition to their degrees. Accordingly, we are regularly conducting 15 days basic French language programs also. And especially I would like to mention that since our college is located in rural area, Umri Kheda, which is Gram Umri Kheda. So most of the students are coming from rural background to our institute. For them particularly, we are regularly conducting spoken English classes for these students also, because these students are from Hindi background. And definitely it is very much necessary to improve their level of understanding also. That's why we are conducting some spoken English and basic English classes also. This is our USPs too.
Sir, any MOU you have signed with the
Yes.
institute that you may like to tell us?
Yes. Particularly during recent times, we have signed an MOU with Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv, as you know, that it's a leading company in finance or finance sector, we can say. We have signed an MOU with Bajaj Finserv. Accordingly, they will provide 100 hours training. They will provide 100 hours training to our students. There will be batch size of 40 to 45 students, particularly those who are passing out from the institutes, that means final year students. And they will get 100 hours training, and after that they will, after completing this training, they will get a certificate also. In this training, they will be given training about basic products of insurance sector, banking sector, finance sector, and after that, they will be getting training regarding confidence building or attitude building, we can say. They will be getting training for aptitude, they will be getting training for soft skills. Definitely this will add on to their curriculum and their degree also.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for sparing some time for us.
Most welcome.